Hey guys, tonight we're going to be doing an unboxing video of an Apple package, so let's just jump into it. Took the nice little tape seal off. Love this thing. I don't like this bag. So solid. Okay, anyways. Headphones. Earpods actually. Oh wow, that's cool. And then I peel this little thing off. Paper. Oh. Here we go. Oh wait, now I gotta undo these little guys. Alright. Yeah. Sweet. And then, jeez, it's like strapped down. Freaky lightning connector. Anyway, oh whoa, these feel super nice. Okay. Yep. Earpod lightning connector. Thanks guys.